Hey, did you miss me? I'm back in Cancun, this time here at Excellence Playa Mujeres. And this video starts in 3, 2. I'm glad you survived that intro. As always, I'm giving you everything you need in one single video. But there is something I need to tell you.
Back in 2021, this was the resort that introduced us to the world of all-inclusive vacations.
Here's the evidence. 4 years later, we're back. Does it still have that magic that got us hooked in the first place? I have no idea.
What I do know is that this time we are coming in strong, more knowledgeable, and because I'm your BTB, you're getting an honest review.
Also, thank you so much for helping us reach 1,000 subscribers. We couldn't be happier. 10,000, here we come. Now, let's get this party started. Woo! Bring on the room tour. This is the junior suite, their cheapest option, so let me show you what it's got.
We were told the resort was remodeled, but the room felt more like a glow-up than a total redo. New finishes, furniture, and better outlets, but still feels familiar, especially with the 90s yellow phone hanging on for dear life.
I'm tired, boss.
Still, the room is spacious, the jacuzzi stayed, and the bigger closet was a nice touch.
Time to test out this bed. Fluffy, comfortable, and look, you can play tic-tac-toe all night long.
The bathroom didn't change much except for the mirrors.
This is the bathroom. It's pretty small, but you have some counter space, some nice mirrors.
Though a magnifying mirror would be a nice add.
Nothing fancy. Can you see that? And then here is the shower. Make sure that you come with someone special so you can give them a nice little shower. It has a window. Pretty special, huh? Look at that. It's pretty cute.
It's still a good bathroom with the
Ooh,
basics covered.
One thing, no door. So you'll be smelling everything.
Like other resorts, it has your standard amenities, but they do something a little different here.
This is what I'm talking about. Free bottles in your room, which I haven't seen at other resorts. Pretty neat, pretty neat. So let me show you the view from our room. We are staying in building 5, and this is what you're gonna get. A nice view of the lazy river, some of the buildings back there, and then on this side, somewhere back there is the beach. So you get an okay view for being the cheapest room. And besides, we're not gonna be here in the room anyway, so it doesn't matter. There you go, that's our view. Funny update, not so funny. We had a big tropical storm last night, which apparently kind of ruined the breakers, and we had no electricity. So this morning, didn't have phones charged, but they came over to fix it. They told us they fixed it, we came back, and we still have no electricity. So the good news is we did talk to the front desk and they are letting us switch rooms. So thank you. And I mean, I guess Mother Nature just has different plans for us sometimes. What are you gonna do? Actually, after hours of waiting, we finally got into our new room. It's essentially the same thing as the last one, except in a different building. Hopefully everything works. I'm hoping, and wish me luck. If anything changes, I'll let you know.
The room itself was nice and the upgrades helped, but the communication around our room issues was frustrating. From reporting the issue to it actually getting fixed, it basically took all day. Excellence. Starting to get some mixed signals here.
This morning we slept in, which automatically means we ordered room service. Come check it out. Bon appetit. It looks good, huh?
Room service is available 24/7. Check the menu on the app, use the antique phone to order, and they'll drop it in the service box. The menu is very basic. Breakfast was good, not mind-blowing, but I did like the French toast and motuleño eggs. Late night room service? Hard pass, unpredictable. Over 40 minutes for tiny wings, Alfredo that showed up spicy, and a chocolate cake that tasted like Play-Doh. We learned our lesson and did not order again.
I'm so hungry. Are you ready to go get some food? Okay, let's go. Time to eat.
To avoid long evening waits, go right at 6 p.m. when restaurants open, as wait times can quickly go from 10 minutes to 45. If you end up waiting, head to the martini bar. The bartenders will take care of you. They're pretty funny and talented. At Spice, absolutely get the tempura shrimp. Perfectly crispy and soft inside. Of course we got sushi. Decent-sized rolls that melt in your mouth and have a spicy kick. We enjoyed our food here. We only came here for breakfast one morning. The food was tasty, but in my opinion, you get better options, faster service, and more food at the buffet. Since we didn't try any other meals, give it a shot and let me know. They're open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I recommend coming here to start your day in the best way possible. It's a pretty standard buffet, but the variety of foods and the several omelet stations make it easy to try anything and everything.
Chez Isabella is the restaurant that a lot of the workers recommended. It's the French restaurant, and we're here waiting. I would recommend coming early because we are waiting 40 minutes, so I'll let you know if it's even worth it.
We had high hopes going in. The escargot was a good entree and the onion soup was cozy. But the mains took forever and didn't really wow us. Unfortunately, the creme brulee was pretty stale. Was it worth the wait? Maybe, I don't know. If you had a different experience, comment below and let us know. Aroma is your spot for quick coffee, ice cream, sandwiches, and snacks. We only went a few times and the desserts were not disappointing. Plenty of small and light options to pick from. This Italian restaurant I would come back to. It had some pretty good seafood dishes, like the fettuccine al cartoccio. It was super creamy and the other plates we ordered were light and fresh. The grill had so much potential. It honestly could have been the best. We loved the marrow and ribeye tacos, lentil soup, and juicy porterhouse so much that we came back another night. But round 2, very inconsistent. Same meal, totally different results, and those long waits showed up again.
One thing I do want to know is that service is good, but in every single restaurant, food takes a while. We've been waiting. I'm hungry. Maybe work on your patience, I guess.
By the way, there's a sports bar open until midnight with TVs, games, drinks, and food. We didn't go this time, but if you're a sports fan, go check it out. The Mexican restaurant was our favorite. We got the norteño barbecue. It has all kinds of juicy meats, so if you're a carnivore, you'll definitely enjoy this. Or get the chamorro because it's incredibly tender, authentic, and rich. For dessert, the tres leches cake was soft and mildly sweet. Good place, good service, good food.
Marijulis, marijulis, I got lovely water.
Listen, I swear the pool is calling my name. I don't know which one out of the 3 pools, but I'm checking it out. It's a beautiful day. I'm ready. Let's sunbathe.
The main pool is very tame and a bit cold this time of the year. This is definitely not a party pool, even though there is a bar. It's more float, sip, read, and repeat. There's plenty of lukewarm jacuzzis, hammocks, light music, and lots of chatting. If chill days are your thing, this is for you. Now the chair situation.
It's 2:30 in the afternoon, and I guess I gotta sit on the floor.
In this pool, chairs go faster than a kid in a candy store. The thing is, there's some spots that genuinely don't have chairs. So if you show up after a beach session, you might be waiting while your hubby gets his steps in trying to find a spot. Or you could end up here at the lazy river. I call it the pool for rom-com readers, extreme nappers, tipsy meditators, or anyone who didn't score a chair at the main pool. If you're feeling adventurous, take the loop around for a more jungly feel. Heads up, this is prime territory for fresh and delicious coconut water.
You can't miss it. You gotta have a fresh one, add a little alcohol, make it even better.
The bartenders here are super cool, and since the bar is closer, drinks come out way faster. The third pool is pretty unremarkable, and it's shared with swim-out rooms, so privacy is a little weird on both sides. The pool itself is pretty empty all day, unless there's a sports activity going on.
If you don't want to lose your spot by the pool, remember that you can order poolside food. Hot dogs, burgers, quesadillas, fries, something small.
We survived by repeatedly ordering drinks and a poolside burger. For a full resort walkthrough, go check out my channel.
I've done the napping, the sunbathing, even the alcohol drinking, but maybe there's something else to do. So let's go find out and see if we'll do something fun.
Daytime activities at Excellence are pretty casual. You'll find things like headphone Zumba and floating blackjack at the main pool, plus ping pong and a pool table over by pool number 2. I only really committed to volleyball and a salsa class I didn't get footage of, but I really had a fun time. Just check the schedule in the app and you'll probably find something that catches your eye. Just don't expect too much entertainment during the day.
Most of the cool activities take place at night, like tonight with the live band. Let's go check it out.
Nighttime is when the resort finally comes alive. The live music was hands down our favorite, whether it was in the lobby or outside in the plaza. The musicians are seriously talented and the salsa band, my personal favorite, definitely brings out those forbidden moves. Ow, ow! We joined in too, but we might have been a little too tipsy to film. Oopsie! There's also evening shows every single night, from spicy burlesque to a full-on acrobatic circus in the pool. You can keep the night going with more drinks from the Prelude Bar and DJ sessions back in the plaza.
Maybe you're worried AI will take your job, but you know what it can't take? This view and these beautiful memories.
We are more beach people and happy to say it's lovely here. Soft sand, calm water, good photo op, and definitely a nice beach to relax in. We noticed the front palapas all have chairs, but some on the back don't. So you can set your towel down on those if you can't find a spot. Either way, you'll be able to order drinks and food. Keep in mind though, everything here takes a while, but you can always grab a drink from the pool bar or stop at Las Olas to eat.
We're mid-December, so obviously that means the water's gonna be colder than it usually is. So it's up to you. For me, it's a little too cold, but that's what I get for booking December.
Did I get in anyway? Of course. Cue shivering montage.
Just gotta do it, right? Rip the band-aid off, submerge yourself, and you're in here.
Honestly, our experience at Excellence was a mix of emotions. At this price point, there are other resorts that offer more daytime entertainment, better food, and more variety. The resort isn't bad by any means, but I would blindly give another resort a chance before coming back. That said, everyone's experience is different, so go see for yourself and let me know what you think.
Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your partner, and watch all my other videos. And remember, as long as I live, you'll always catch me eating and tripping. See you next time. Bye. Adios. Ciao.